Hush, rock yard. They breathe out hard. Me slow me pulse, me clear me sight. Enter night. Me tired of noise and constant rush. So me hush. Silence speaking, honest tone. Truth shown. Me sit with thought, no force, no chase. Just space. Mind unclenched, shoulders ease, moment freeze. Breath teach me how to stay, not stray. Me learn peace, now low display. It's subtle way. Smoke and stillness, calm it core, nothing more. Smoke and stillness, balance mind, aligned. Me watch cloud drift without name, learn same. Flood pass through me, let them go, flow. Me nah escape reality, me face it gently. Stillness refill empty part, strength restart. From quiet brown me rise again. Oh, not strain. It feel inhale and release. Me touch peace. Smoke and stillness, slow and true. Pull me through. Smoke and stillness, calm and clean, serene. When words choke and pull me fast, me pause at last. In stillness me always find peace of mind. Hush, rock yard. They breathe out hard. Me slow me pulse, me clear me sight. Enter night. Me tired of noise and constant rush. So me hush. Silence speaking, honest tone. Truth shown. Me sit with thought, no force, no chase. Just space. Mind unclenched, shoulders ease, moment freeze. Breath teach me how to stay, not stray. Me learn peace, now low display. It's subtle way. Smoke and stillness, calm it core, nothing more. Smoke and stillness, balance mind, aligned. Me watch cloud drift without name. Learn same. Flood pass through me, let them go. Flow. Me nah escape reality. Me face it gently. Stillness refill empty part. Strength restart. From quiet brown me rise again. Oh, not strain. The feeling inhale and release. Me touch peace. Smoke and stillness, slow and true. Pull me through. Smoke and stillness, calm and clean. Serene. When words choke and pull me fast, me pause at last. In stillness me always find peace of mind. No, 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 no. Nightfall slope on the hillside air. Cricket them chant, stars everywhere. Me sit on stone where the silence loud. Roll up wisdom from sacred cloud. Me light the chalice by the fire glow. Ancient knowledge start to flow. Smoke spiral high like prayer line. Every thought them realign. No rush time, no clock tick fast. Me present now, me done with past. Babylon talk can't reach this zone. Me mind free, me flesh alone. Herba teacher, slow but deep. It make the nicest spirit sleep. Me reason with me, I yourself. No need no crown, no need no wealth. Every draw a meditation. Heal the scars of generation. From the root come clarity. Burn illusion, see reality. Chalice by the fire, blaze it slow. Let the healing smoke just flow. Chalice by the fire tonight. Clear the dark, restore this sight. Me see the city move too fast. Everybody chase them shadow pass. But in the herb me find me pace. Stillness carve a sacred space. No gimmick chant, no empty rhyme. Me speak from soul, not for time. Rasta wisdom, no shouted breathe. Like morning dew on waiting leaf. Elders voice echo in me head. Live upright, no walk misled. Me bond the herb with humble heart. Not fi escape, but fi restart. Every vision, clean and plain. Show me joy, show me pain. Smoke lift truth into me view. Tell me what me fi do. Fire crackle, thoughts them align. Body rest, spirit shine. No excess, no abuse. Just sacred herb me choose. Chalice by the fire, blaze it slow. Let the healing smoke just flow. Chalice by the fire tonight. Clear the dark, restore the sight. Me carry peace from atmosphere. Chalice done, but lessons stay. Guide me steps through coming day. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye. Me roll me thought them in a paper tin. Let the reasoning begin. No crowd noise, no fake display. Just truth and herb and time fi stay. I grade burn but me mind stay clear. Elevation, not mere cheer. Me nah bun fi boast our style. Me bun fi reason, sit a while. Words them careful, slow and wise. Smoke open in our eyes. Every topic we like scale. Truth prevail, ego fail. Them use the herb fi run and hide, but me use it fi look inside. Me ask hard question, no disguise. Why man suffer? Why man rise? Smoke no answer, but reveal what me heart already feel. I grade no loaded calm, like cool rain pan heated palm. Jah I grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fights. Jah I grade reasoning so deep. Awake the soul from restless sleep. Missy brethren laugh and share. Circle build from honest care. No loud mouth, no empty talk. Each word walk where thought can walk. Herb no turn man foolish. It expose who truly foolish. If your heart clean, mind aligned. Smoke just amplify the sign. Me burn one draw, then pause and think. Before me speak, before me link. Silence teach me more than sound. Truth hide where calm is found. Reasoning, no rush fi win. It sit without till light step in. I grade keep me humble, grounded. Never lost, never bounded. No addiction, no escape. Just conscious use, correct shape. Herb and mind in equal role. Balance keep the old man old. Jah I grade reasoning tonight. Lift the mind above the fight. Jah I grade reasoning so deep. Awake the soul from restless sleep. When the paper ash turn green, me still all words we say. Reason linger long after smoke. Truth remain, no joke. Through the blind, me take a breath, clear my mind. No rush pots, no hurry sign. Me moving your timing. Me used to want the fruit too fast. Till life teach lesson from the past. Quick shine fade like morning dew, but patience still what stay true. Me see them sprint and trip and fall, while me pace slow, standing tall. Every delay sharpen me sight, teach me wrong from right. Me learn fire cook bless slow, same way wisdom grow. Pressure shape me in a frame, hard days forge my name. But now envy flashy road, me carry light a load. What slow build not crack easy, it's steady. Slow burn wisdom, calm and deep. Lessons me keep. Slow burn wisdom, warm and sure, strong and pure. Slow burn wisdom, me listen more, me talk less. Silence sharpen consciousness. Every elder word me store, knowledge piled, not lore. Me know destiny, it walk to me. Time reveal what brush conceal. So truth always real. Me trust the process Jah design. Step by line, from ember glow to steady flame. Different speed, say slow burn wisdom, guide me way, night and day. Slow burn wisdom, firm and bright, desire. So me move calm, me move wise, under just sky. Slow fire blaze within me chest. Yeah, na 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 na. Yeah, na 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 na. Oh, in the quiet early dawn, the mountain breeze a soft tune. Clouds drift slow like ancient tales, guiding the soul to rise soon. Me close me eyes, me feel the peace. The heartbeat blend with morning air. A meditation through nature's voice, healing the mind from every care. Stone pathways echo memories old, footsteps mix with timeless sound. Songs from elders whisper low, carried by the earth around. Me walk along the winding trail, spirit calm like river flow. Every leaf a sacred sign, teaching truth we need to know. The hillside glow with golden shine, sunlight paint a mystic view. Cedar scent a kiss me face, turning thought for something new. Me feel the universe align, every breath a cosmic link. Through the presence of the land, we find more clarity if you think. Whisper of the hills, guide me way, show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough, hold me heart when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills, keep me strong, teach me where my soul belong. Nature song, I lift me high, bless me path beneath the sky. Me hear the wind craft melody sweet, storytelling in its tone. Voices ancient rise again, proving we never walk alone. The horizon stretch out wide, full of promise, full of grace. Every moment build me up, steady in me inner place. Down below the valley bloom, colored waves of living art. Birds move soft like floating dreams, soothing even troubled heart. The world may shift sanctuary untouched by noise, where my spirit start to know. Hold the breath, feel the breeze, calm the mind, find the ease. Let the mountain guard your light, keep your vision shining bright. Every echo, every tone, strengthen you from flesh to bone. Whisper of the hills, guide me way, show me strength through night and day. Carry me when times get rough, hold me heart when life feels tough. Whisper of the hills, keep me strong, teach me where my soul belong. Nature song, I lift me high, bless me path, feel lift the sky. So when the world feel heavy still, remember the hillside call. Let the calmness wrap your soul, lifting burdens big and small. In the silence of the land, you find the truth you seek inside. Whisper of the hills remain, always here for be your guide. Meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window, birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun, another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth, me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree, me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea, me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal, me walk the path them ancient stole. One love still lives in each breath we take, even in a system that try fi fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat, truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass, in a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill, the fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae nights, the rhythm and a kind of full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye, Bob voice echo, no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer, them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain, just a little spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble pride, me link with nature, Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universe align. One love still lives like fire in a breeze, blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face, me feel it deep in drumbeat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rise in silence, strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true, me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war, just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze, me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread, me bless the table where all get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race, me only look upon art and grace. So me chant rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives
never die, it just changed name. Sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah, sometimes me brethren from far, but always love, deep and wide, it guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise from soul to sky, cause one love still lives, it never die.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, ay, ay. The river wake before the sun, rolling deep with ancient grace. Water sparkle like living gems, dancing soft in sacred space. Me sit on the river bank warm, feeling time just drift away. Nature hold me gently close, bringing balance to me day. The river stone cool and smooth, shaped by journeys long and wide. Every corner mark a tale, carried through the timeless tide. Me dip me hand in the waves, sense the rhythm of the stream. Life remind me what it teach, nothing constant as it seem. Me watch the water curl and spin, carving stories through the sand. Every ripple speak of hope, traveling across the land. A harmony of crash and calm, blending strong with peaceful flow, showing how true strength can be soft, just like river currents go. River stone, echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. River stone, echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. The river play a gentle song, tapping beats and roots and logs, calling creatures small and large, turtles, fishes, birds and frogs. Me feel connected to it all, like the river speak me name, telling me to trust the path. Even when life twists the game, further down the water widen, greeting banks with mighty sweep, reflecting light from skies above. Resting moments calm and deep, the river teach me patience slow, show me how to bend not break. Every flow a sacred move, every ship a chance for wake. Let the water guide your mind, leave the heavy things behind. Let the current free your soul, help you find your highest role. River wisdom never lie, truth reflected in the sky. River stone, echo flow, guide the heart and help it grow. Carry burdens down the line, wash them clean in humble shine. River stone, echo deep, secrets that the water keep. Hear the message as it glide, wisdom moving with the tide. So when trouble cloud your view, walk to where the river run. Let the flow restore your peace.
up beneath me feet. Jah rhythm beat. Me see the chains are falling there. Them still there in a modern way. Them use the media, use the life, it blind the eye. But me no bow, me no yield, Jah me shield. Me plant me truth in fertile land with Jah hand. The fertile land with Jah hand. The fertile land. See the youths them searching still. We break the system's will. Them tired of the poison talk. Them ready fi walk. Roots of freedom start to spread from every dread. It rise through pain, it rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Rise through flame, Jah reclaim. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Me feel the wind blow through the leaves. Truth Jah weave. Them try cut down the sacred tree, but Jah decree. The truth hold memory strong. An ancient song. Freedom not just come by word, it must be heard. Me see the elders gather round, feet firm and grown. Them teach the youths fi plant again, rain after rain. Them say old firm don't lose faith, freedom create. Roots connect we all as one under the sun. No fire can burn it down, no king, no crown. Roots of freedom live forever, bound by Jah river. It twist and turn through every heart, never part. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of sweat got deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Roots of freedom, eternal flame. Call Jah name. Through the struggle, through the fight. The struggle through the fight, hold the light. The struggle through the fight, hold the light. So when me gone, me roots remain through joy and pain. Freedom grow from seed of love, blessed from above. Blessed from above. Blessed from above. Blessed from above.
Ba 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 ba. Oh, ah. Bible pan table, herb in hand. Two things them always understand. Word and smoke in harmony. Ancient psalm and remedy. Me read one line, me take one draw. Words open door me never saw. Scripture bread when smoke pass through. Old text start feel brand new. Me not twist the word for pride. Me let it speak from inside. Smoke slow down me racing mind. So meaning me can truly find. Some man pray loud, some man shout. Me pray silent, inward route. Herb no replace faith or trust. It just remove the mental rust. Me chant some under breath so low. Let the echo gently flow. Smoke rise like incense stream. Carry prayer beyond me dream. Smoke and psalms in a the night. Calm the heart, adjust the sight. Smoke and psalms, whole and true. Word and herb, pull me through. Me no preach fi crowd applause. Me read fi learn Jah laws. Herb teach patience, text teach love. Both point me up above. When doubt knock on me door, me read one verse then blaze one more. Clarity return again, like cool rain pan thirsty men. Me see religion turn to show. but faith grow best when it's slow. Smoke no holy, book no magic, but heart sincere make both effective. Me walk humble, no claim throne, just seek truth, feel me own. Smoke faith, but this psalm remain. Guide me joy, guide me pain. No blind faith, no empty hype, just quiet truth me type. Urban word in balance roll, discipline preserve the soul. Smoke and psalms in a day night, calm the heart, adjust the sight. Smoke and psalms, old and true, word and herb, pull me through. When the candle burn out low, and the smoke got nowhere go, psalms still echo in me head, guide me steps where me tread. Da 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 la la la. Oh ah.
Ay ay ay. Kaya yan reggae music, yeah man. Me climb up the mountain top, Jah hear me call. Every step me ride, me closer to the sky. Me walk through valley pain, still me remain. The stone beneath my feet make my spirit complete. Me fight for the truth, me see. Jah walk with me, me never lose my faith. Jah love create. Me look down on the plain, see mankind insane. The greed and hate them grow, but me still know love are the real key, set we free. No man can block Jah way, me pray each day. Where you ground, me see where the humble speak, where the humble speak, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground, me find peace in my mind, peace in my mind, peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound, Jah higher ground, higher ground. Me climb through thunderstorm, still Jah keep me warm. Every struggle build my soul, make me whole. Me feel Jah wine caress, my soul bless. Me see the sunrise bright, pure delight. Me chant for every soul, reach Jah goal. Me lift me hand to sky, never say goodbye. Jah guide the climb me trod, me trust in God. One step, one song, carry me along. Higher ground me see, higher ground me speak, where the humble speak, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground me find peace in my mind, peace in my mind, peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound, Jah higher ground. So when me reach the top, me never stop. Jah glory surround, me rest on higher ground. Higher ground. Give me this sweat, kaya man. Waves rolling with hypnotic sway, hitting shore in rhythmic keys. Me stand firm beside the sand, feeling messages in the breeze.
Salt scent wrap me like a cloak, calming every restless thought. Ocean drum beat ancient song, teaching lessons never bought. The tide embrace the sandy floor, shaping patterns wide and clean, marking stories left behind, hidden things we never seen. Me feel the pulse of distant worlds, traveling through the foamy crest, showing how connections deep always live inside the chest. A gull fly low and cry a tune, echo stretch across this space, mixing with the ocean roar, sending healing through the place. All the waves are chanting time, sinking perfect eat together, forming harmony so strong it lift me heart like feather. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul, carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. Me walk deeper in the foam, cold but soothing to the skin. Like the waves that wash me worries, cooling everything within. The horizon stretched so far, promising a world unseen, guiding eyes to look beyond, past the places we have been. A sudden breeze lift up the surf, sparkling trails across the blue, painting lines of living art, shaping visions fresh and new. Me let the silence fill me heart, blending with the ocean tone. Every rhythm, every wave, speak of courage we must own. Let the water lift your mind, leave the heavy thoughts behind. Feel the current shape your view, bring renewal shining through. Every swell and every break, give you strength in what you make. Ocean drum awakening, calling souls to rise and sing. Every crash a message wise, flowing through the open skies. Ocean drum steady roll, cleansing edges of the soul, carry doubts far out to sea, set the inner spirit free. So when life get loud and wild, walk beside the ocean's beat. Let the rhythm calm your heart, grounding you from head to feet. Ocean drum forever play, lifting burdens one by one. Guide your spirit through the storm, till the brighter day is come.
Let it and elevate your man. Hear the people chant tonight, truth shining bright. One rhythm, one soul, one way, Jah guide we every day. Me stand in the crowd so wide, love on every side. Me feel the beat of unity, Jah melody free. Me no care about fame or name. Only the righteous flame. One voice for the nation, pure vibration. Me see the warriors stand strong. Me hear the ancient song from Africa to the world. Freedom unfurled. Your children spread the sound. Roots profound. Each lyric plant the seed of Jah creed. Yeah. One voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony is sweet. Make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. Me feel the drum beat deep inside. Spirit collide. Me see the elders sway. Praise Jah every day. Music kill the pain. Wash away the chain. Me chant for the youth them rise. Open them eyes. Each note a revolution. Pure solution. Jah message carry far. Like a shooting star. Sing it loud, sing it clear. Jah always near. No division, no fight. One light unite with them, one voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony is sweet. Make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. When the stage light fade away, Jah music stay. One vibe, one song, forever born.
Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah, man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low. Teach me love for grow. Every scar become a flame. Jah rewrite my name. No fear, no shame. Me rise again. Me see the storm pass by. Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong. Me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain. It bring the rain from the seed of sorrow bloom. New life consume, rise again. My people rise, lift your heart to the skies. Your light never fade, new world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Your love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Na 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 na. Me look on the crowd unite. Me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken, words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around. Jah teach me how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Jah never leave we side. Jah never leave we side.
Rasta man, reggae a man. Me hear the river call me name, wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong, carry my soul along. Me walk through valley low, still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy on me chest, Jah give me rest. The current lead me home, no man walk alone. Every drop of memory, freedom energy. Me see the children play by shore, laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze, set me spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down, me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace, peace upon my face. River of freedom flow, carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong, guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear, truth conquer fear. Me wash me sorrow clean, new life me dream. Each ripple sing Jah song, where we all belong. Me dive into the stream of light, darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew, Jah shine through. Me chant for every nation, pure salvation. River deep and wise, mirror the skies. Jah call me near, no more fear. River of freedom flow, carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, Jah spirit set we free. River of freedom strong, guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Morning gold, touch my face, warm in every weary bone. A signal that a brighter path, ready for become me own. Me stretch me arms, me breathe the light, feeling strength return again. New beginning, shape the day, chasing out the past old pain. The streets awake with fresh ambition, footsteps tapping hopeful beat. Me walk slow but steady forward, grounding courage in my feet. Everything around me shift, turning pressure into fire, helping me feel climb above doubt. Rising steady, rising higher. Me watch the skyline greet the dawn, painting colors bold and sweet. Every shade a different blessing, every tone a victory meet. Me hold me dreams like precious gold, guarding them through storm and trial. Knowing greatness built through patience, mile by mile and while by while. Golden step, rising high, reaching far across the sky. Lift the spirit, break the chain, wash away the darkest strain. Golden step, rise
true, shaping futures bright and new. Every moment, every stride, keep the fire strong inside. The day unfold with lively spirit, open doors me never see. Me find courage in my journey, pushing boundaries fi be free. Obstacles may try fi block, but me heart refuse fi sway. Strength a building every moment, lighting up a brighter way. Me see faces full of hope, moving onward with the flow, sharing steps and silent prayers, lifting hearts that moving slow. Together we create a path, waving growth in every space. Golden steps unite we are, shining with a steady grace. Oh, hold your ground, walk your road, carry light, release the load. Every sunrise bring a chance, time for shift, time for advance. Let the courage lead your day, keep the shadows far away. Golden step, rising high, reaching far across the sky. Lift the spirit, break the chain, wash away the darkest train. Golden step, rising true, shaping futures bright and new. Every moment, every stride, keep the fire strong inside. So when doubt come creeping slow, remember how you rise each time. Look within and see the glow, beating strong in steady rhyme. Golden steps remain your guide through the trial and the test. Lift your mind and heart above, walking forward truly blessed. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Aye, aye, aye. Footstep echo up and gravel slow, whole road rhythm start fi flow. Dust pan boot, sun pan skin, ancient journey me walk again. Me nah follow crowd or trend, me follow path when never been. Old road carved by time and pain, still it teach me how to stand. Ganja scent mixed with dirt and sweat, memory me can't forget. Every mile me walk alone, but me spirit full grown. Them pave new road with shiny sign, but them forget the old design. Old road rough, but it honest. Tell your truth, no promise. Me blaze one spliff and keep me pace. Feel the rhythm in a me bass. Each step heavy, but it sure. All road make me endure. All road rhythm beat so slow, carry me where me fi go. All road rhythm rough but true, every stone remember you. Missy footprints fade and cross, some man win, some man lost. Me no judge the way them trod, every soul answer to God. Herb smoke drift cross sunset line, tell me patience conquer time. All road teach me one main thing, slow steps still reach everything. When night drop and stars appear, all road vice me start to hear. It say all faith no rush the end, every bend birth new friend. Me sit me blaze me give thanks for the cracks and broken planks. Old road still under me feet, every scar make journey
no shortcut to the truth. Old road feed the youth. Dust and herb and steady breath. Teach me life, not fear of death. Old road rhythm, beat so slow. Carry me where me fi go. Old road rhythm, rough but true. Every stone remember you. Old road rhythm, beat so slow. Carry me where me fi go. Old road rhythm, rough but true. Every stone remember you. When me reach the end one day, old road still in me way. Even when me rest me feet, its rhythm still beat.
Morning breeze touch me face. Feet firm on the same old place. No rush start, no scattered sign. Me keep me spirit aligned. City load but me thoughts them clear. Me choose what me let near. Too much talk load the brain. Me simplify, cut the chain. Me plant me feet, make truth grow. Now follow every hype them show. Grounded mind, steady sight. Me read the day and the night. Me observe more than me speak. Silence make me strong, not weak. Every move got reason why. Me not chase illusion, me mind not rent to outside nice. Me choose calm over choice. When confusion try creep in, me breathe deep, reset within. Grounded mind, steady soul, self-control. Grounded mind, clear and wide. Me guide me stride. Me learn focus a rare skill now. Everybody distracted anyhow. Me cut distraction like weed. Protect me mental feed. Me nah live fast, be impressed. Me build slow, feel like